Ever wondered what it's like to hold a tiny piece of history worth more than a mansion in Malibu? Well, buckle up because we're diving into the glittering world of the top 5 most valuable gold coins in the world. From mysterious origins to jaw-dropping auction prices, these coins aren't just money, they are legendary. And I may butcher some of these names, so feel free to yell at me or correct me in the comments below. At the end of the video, I'm going to share my thoughts on one of the best ways to own gold without needing to put a Fort Knox vault in your backyard. First up, let's travel back to 723 AD with the Umayyad gold dinar. This isn't your ordinary pocket change. Minted during the reign of Yazid II, this coin was born from the discovery of a gold mine and bears an inscription that translates to "Mine of the Commander of the Faithful." Imagine unearthing a gold mine and deciding to make coins that would one day fetch around $4.6 million at auction. I bet you'd love to have one of these bad boys under your bed. Next, we head to the mysterious world of the 1913 Liberty Head V nickel. Only 5 of these coins were ever produced by the United States Mint, yet their existence is wrapped in enigma since they don't appear in the Mint's official records. It's like a group of elitist magic trolls. There are a lot of those in Washington, so I wouldn't be surprised. Despite having a face value of just 5 cents, these nickels are worth millions today. My grandpa used to give me his pocket change when I was a kid. Imagine getting handed one of these and having it turn out to be worth more than a luxury yacht. A high-quality Liberty Head V nickel can sell for over $5 million, proving that sometimes the smallest things hold the greatest value. Moving on, we find ourselves in 1787 with the Brasher Doubloon, a unique coin minted by New York goldsmith Ephraim Brasher. After his petition to mint copper coins was denied, Brasher took matters into his own hands and created this golden masterpiece. With a face value of $16 and containing 26.6 grams of 22 karat gold, one of these coins sold for $625,000 back in 1981. Fast forward to 2011, and a Wall Street investment firm purchased one for a record-breaking $7.4 million. 2021, Heritage Auctions shattered this record, selling a Brasher Doubloon for an astounding $9.36 million. Then we come to the grand tale of the 1933 Saint-Gaudens $20 gold double eagle, often regarded as the most valuable coin in the world. Minted but never officially circulated, most of these coins were melted down, leaving only 13 known specimens. 10 are tucked away in the Fort Knox Bullion Depository, while 2 others reside in the U.S. National Numismatic Collection. The last one, known as the Weitzman specimen, was purchased for $7.59 million in 2002 and later auctioned for a staggering $18.8 million in 2021. Finally, we have the 2023 Crown coin, minted in honor of the late Queen Elizabeth II. This majestic coin, made from nearly 4 kilograms of gold and encrusted with 6,426 diamonds, stands as one of the most valuable coins ever created. Valued at around $23 million, there's only one in existence. It's like the crown jewel of coins, literally and figuratively. So what makes a gold coin so valuable? Factors like rarity, historical significance, condition, mintage, and design all play a crucial role. Rare coins with historical ties, well-preserved condition, low mintage numbers, and unique designs fetch higher prices. Collecting gold coins can be thrilling, but it's essential to store them properly, whether at home, in a bank's safe deposit box, or in a professional storage facility. But what if you're not ready to dive into the world of physical gold coins? Consider a gold IRA instead. It's a savvy way to invest in gold without the need to worry about physical storage and security. A gold IRA offers the benefits of owning gold, like portfolio diversification and protection against inflation, while ensuring your investment is secure and hassle-free. This type of IRA account provides several benefits. Security and convenience. Your gold is stored in an IRS-approved depository, which offers high levels of security. Potentially, you don't have to worry about the theft, damage, or logistics of storing physical gold. Tax advantages. Just like other IRAs, a gold IRA can offer potential tax benefits, depending on the type of IRA, traditional or Roth. You could possibly enjoy tax-deferred growth or tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Portfolio diversification. Gold has historically been a hedge against inflation and economic instability. Including gold in your retirement portfolio can potentially provide a layer of protection against market volatility and currency fluctuations. Ease of management. Managing a gold IRA is straightforward. You work with a custodian who handles all the administrative tasks, from purchasing and storing the gold to complying with IRS regulations. This allows you to focus on your investment strategy without getting bogged down by the details. While investing in a gold IRA means you won't have the physical gold to hold and admire, it provides peace of mind knowing that your investment is secure and well managed. It's an excellent option for those who want to benefit from the stability and value of gold without the hassle of physical ownership. If you'd like to talk to a Goldco representative about any questions or interests you may have, use the phone number in the description below. Also, you can get a copy of Goldco's Wealth Protection Kit to learn more about diversifying and protecting your savings with gold or silver. That link is also in the description below. Whether you're dreaming of holding a piece of history or looking to invest wisely, the allure of gold remains timeless. So keep exploring, stay curious, and hey, who knows? You might just uncover a treasure of your own. Hey, I'm MJ, and I'll see you next time.